Assalamualaikum. Today my topic is prokaryotic DNA replication steps. Basically there are 8 steps in prokaryotic DNA replication. First step is recognition, then melting, separation, stabilization, formation of new strand, proofreading, ligation, and final step is termination. Complementary strand separation. Question is that why we separate double strand into single strands? Answer is that polymerase use only single stranded DNA as a template for DNA replication. Second question is that where replication start? There is a specific site known as origin of replication which has consensus sequence that is rich in 80 segments like adenine, thymine rich segments. At that specific sequence replication start. Then second heading is that replication fork formation. What is replication fork? Replication fork is Y-shaped fork, as we know that at 2 times like this one. Look at this diagram. This is parental strand, and when it separate it form a replication fork like this one. Replication fork need following specific proteins like DNA A proteins. These are actually a complex of proteins that form pre-priming complex. DNA A protein initiate replication by binding to specific nucleotide sequence DNA A boxes. What is DNA A boxes? It is same consensus sequence that is rich in 80 rich segments. And then when it ignites that specific sequence, melting starts. Like melting of double stranded DNA into single stranded DNA starts. Look at this diagram. This is double stranded DNA, and then it separate and form a replication fork. 2 replication forks. Look at this one. This one is 1 replication fork and this one is 2 replication fork that move in opposite direction and replication bubble is formed. Then 2 daughter strands are formed and 2 DNA molecules are formed. This is whole process of replication. And main function of DNA helicase is that it participate in unwinding of DNA strands like this one. This is double strand, and in unwinding DNA helicase play important role in unwinding double helix, and it require energy that is supplied by ATP. Then who maintain this single stranded DNA structure? Single stranded DNA binding protein then bind with these single strands. These one are single stranded binding protein. Their binding is cooperative like that. When one single stranded binding protein bind with single strand, it facilitate next one to bind with this strand, and it maintain unwinding. Thank you.